Question 29 says, to secure a telephone pole, a steel cable will be attached to a ring on the pole, 12 feet above the ground. If the cable is 15 feet long, how far from the base of the pole will the other end of the cable be anchored? Give a drawing to represent the situation. Show your work in the box below and give your answer on the line. Okay, so let's draw our situation out. So we've got a telephone pole. That's where we're going to start. Okay, a steel cable is going to be attached to it. It's 12 feet above the ground, okay? And the cable is 15 feet long, all right? And then it says it wants us to find out how far from the base of the pole can the other end of the cable be anchored. So what we're looking for is we want to know on the ground here, how far is the distance between the base of the telephone pole and the base of the cable. All right, so let's label our diagram with the information we've been given. We know that the distance from the base of the telephone pole to where that steel cable connects it is 12 feet. You know that here. A steel cable will be attached to a ring on the pole 12 feet above the ground, okay? If the cable is 15 feet long, how far from the base of the pole will the other end of the cable be? So we know this is 15, and we know that this is what we're looking for. We're going to call this A, okay? So we've got B, we've got C, we're looking for A, all right? So again, we're going to use our Pythagorean theorem, A squared plus B squared equals C squared. A squared is what we're looking for, plus B squared, 12 squared equals 15 squared. A squared equals 144, plus 144 equals 225. We're going to subtract 144 from both sides of the equation. And we're going to be left with A squared equals 81. We're going to take the square root of both sides. It's going to cancel the square and the square root. And we're going to be left with 9. A equals 9. Okay. So the distance between the base of the pole and the base of the cable is 9 feet. Correct answer is 9.